Hi there, fellow swimmers. Today I will teach you how to fully enjoy your spa, as my friend here is about to do in this wonderful lobster spa. I'm not sure anymore. Let's take a look at the two main aspects of your spa. First, let's talk water temperature. The recommended temperature is between 32 and 38 degrees Celsius. It's all a matter of comfort, depending on your preferences and the time of the year. However, keep in mind that the maximum temperature is 40 degrees. Other than that, is unhealthy. Hey, quick tip. If you're starting to feel al dente, it means the water is too hot. Keep in mind that the temperature increases by about 2 to 3 degrees per hour. If this is the first time, it will take about 10 to 15 hours to heat your spa. Generally, the heater will automatically turn off when the water has reached programmed temperature. Or you can also dip your toe to check the temperature. The second aspect is the filtration system. Make sure your spa is set on standard mode to keep the water flowing and filtering correctly. Otherwise, your guest will feel like pulled pork simmering in its juice. You should also adjust the filter cycles according to the season. In spring and summer, filter between 8 to 10 hours per day. In the fall and winter, filter between 16 and 18 hours per day. As a general rule, the more you filter the spa, the less likely you are to have water problems. There you go. Now you know the ins and outs of your spa. Please note that the programming method may vary depending on the brand and the model of your spa. Consult your owner's manual. Well, it wasn't a lobster spa after all, eh? It was a spaghetti. A spaghetti. Spaghetti. Do you get it? Come on. It's Sima all summer long.